It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite dish, drinks, food, and healthy recipe. Anyway, basically as I explained in the video before, telling you about how I used to be suffering from hay fever, and from the time I brought my apple cider vinegar since here and I've been using it, I don't recognize that I'm not taking any more tablet for my hay fever or my nose drop or anything. So I said to myself, probably it's the apple cider vinegar. I've been doing the job. So I'm just doing a video to say, guys, this is why I get the experience from it. If you want to give it a go, I know every one of us is totally different, you know what I mean, different body, and you know what I mean, but we all have the same blood and we have the same breath. So, but we body all set up differently, you know what I mean, operate different, and you know, so I would say if you want to give it a try, give it a try. I tried, I use the apple cider vinegar for about almost 10 mornings straight, and you know what I mean, just to see how it just react on me, and I use it so many different things. You know, I use it when I'm bathing. So, but the most important thing what I saw it do for me really good, you know what I mean, I was saying to myself, I'm not taking any more tablet for my hay fever, because I used to suffer from hay fever right straight through the ear from the time I come in this country. No, I couldn't even be talking to you on this camera, but I would be like nose, you know what I mean, nose problem, and my eye running water. So I know it's a apple cider vinegar do a wonderful job on me this year. So guys, I'm introducing it to you. If you want to give it a try, please give it a try. If it doesn't work, that means it's not fit for you. And if it works, keep using it. Buy for next year. So hopefully this will be a benefit to you and help you. And thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye. Guys, I love you. Welcome back. Today we're gonna talk about my hay fever. I don't know, but this is my hay fever tablet right here, because every year when it comes to summer, I always suffer with hay fever. I've been suffering with hay fever from since I've been in this country, and every time it touch this time of year, I say to myself, you know what happened? I need this hay fever to go early and start to buy a tablet. But this is all of my tablet right here. This is some more extra which I'm taking right here. This is how I was taking before I start to use the apple cider vinegar. But what I want to say, I was this time of the year, like, no, I'll be probably, you know what I mean, stuffed up and can't talk, can't do certain things what I want to do because of my hay fever. But from the other day, I've been using the apple cider vinegar, and when I've been using this vinegar right here, I recognize I wasn't doing nothing with these tablets and these things over here, and my nose spray. This is my nose spray right here. I said to myself, I'm not using a tablet for my hay fever. What's going on? So I mix a big bottle and a big jug, and I drink it off every morning, and in the evening I drink it. This is what left back inside of the bottle. And I say, you know what happened? This is what left back. And I need to tell my fans, them say, although everyone body is totally different. I don't know about your body, but my one is different. Your one might be different. My one might take this apple cider vinegar for my hay fever. I don't know if it will do help you too, but you can give it a try, guys. You know what I mean? If you don't try, you won't know. The time when I start to use the apple cider vinegar, someone tell me about the apple cider vinegar, say it's really good. I should have it on my YouTube channel, and I did a 2 video off of it. I drink it, and you know what I mean, and I did it before, and drink it, and I did it another video, and this is what I left back. Basically I even use it bathe with, put in my water to see how it really affect my skin or anything, because I like to try stuff. So I want to say, I can't believe that I'm not taking no more of these tablets, because I remember this time of the year I will be suffering from hay fever, and now I don't need to take none of these up to till today. So put these at the side. These tablets, if you notice the amount of tablet I have right there, that's for all of my hay fever, and I'm going to buy a lot of hay fever tablet. I try all different kind. If that one work, I work. Now I recognize I bought this nose job from couple months now, and from early, still almost full. Don't need to use it. This is what I'm using And this is exactly what I'm using, and this is exactly what I'm using, and this is exactly what I'm using right here for my Hayfeaver. This is my Hayfeaver tablet. Now, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you what I did the last time when I made my video, and I'm gonna show you. So, but what I wanna just share with you, if you're at home and you're suffering from Hayfeaver, try and give this a go. I don't know. This is a large spoon, but hold on the first, guys. Before I do anything, in this glass I have, if you notice, a little bit of lukewarm water inside of my glass. Because I have a little bit of honey, I have everything left back in a little bit. So because of because I was making a lot. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply squeeze on 2 teaspoons. Lovely. Mix out that first. You can use a syrup or honey to make yours at home. Then what I'm gonna do is pour it straight inside of this glass. And then squeeze some lemon juice. Lovely. Pinch of cinnamon. You can put out ginger if you like. Give it a little mix. This is my apple cider vinegar which I'm using, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fill my glass with the rest of the water. I'm not gonna just drink this in one go, to be honest. What I'm gonna do is drink some now, some later on before I go to my bed, and if any left back, I'll finish in the morning. So it's 3 sets I'm gonna be drinking, but right there are probably 2 sets. One now and one before I go to my bed later on. So this is, to be honest guys, I don't know about you, but I drink this and it helped me with my Hayfeaver. I don't know, but as I can see, I'm not using none of these anymore. So next year, definitely for sure, I will be buying my apple cider vinegar for my Hayfeaver. No more tablet. I'm not gonna go to no doctor and get any more tablet. I'm gonna buy my apple cider vinegar and I'm gonna try it again to see what's the difference, and I will let you guys know next year. But for now, this is what I'm drinking, and this is what is helping me with my Hayfeaver, because I've been suffering with Hayfeaver all over these years until I start to use this medication right here, apple cider vinegar. If you go to the shop and you're gonna buy it, make sure you get this one. Is the one that said original and it said mother. Don't just go and buy an apple cider vinegar any in the shop. You need to get this one. If you look at it very carefully, this is it right here. So hopefully this will help you guys to be, I don't know about your body, but I know about mine. This one helped mine, so you can give it a go and see if it will help you also. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, working very hard. I'm just sharing my idea, my experience, what I get from this apple cider vinegar today. And you can read the instruction on it. Really good. I recommend this to anyone. Lose weight, get rid of belly fat, get rid of fat, extra everything. This do work. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna drink this and I'm gonna relax. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and see you next time. Bye bye.